Hello student, welcome back for next class. In last class we have discussed some example of relation, and in this class we will discuss about functions or mapping. So let's start. Functions or mapping. Okay. Functions a type of relation, that means a special type of relation. Suppose A and B be two non-empty set, okay, two non-empty set, and a relation suppose F related between A and B, then any element X of A may be related with one element or no element or many elements of B, because F is a relation and relation between A and B. So any element of A may be related with one element of B or no element of B or many element of B. For example, suppose this is a set A and this is a set B and the relation is F, okay. So the set A contain the element 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and suppose the set B contain the element A, B, C, D, E, okay, and let 1 goes to A, 1 goes to C, and 1 goes to E also, 3 goes to B, okay. Then look, this is a relation. What did I tell? That an element X of A, that means any element, suppose 1, okay, 1 related with 3 element, that means 1 related with many element, or 1 element 3 related with 1 element, 2 related with no element, that means any element of A related with 1 element or no element or many element, okay. This is called relation. Now special type of relation is called function. What is a special type of relation? Suppose a relation suppose F, okay, a relation F with property that each element X of A is related with exactly one element Y of B is said to be a mapping or function, said to be mapping or function from A to B, okay. This special type of relation is called function. What is function? That means a relation F with some property, okay, a relation F with some property. What's property? If each element X of A, each means every element, each element X of A is related with exactly one element Y of B. Exactly one element Y of B is called mapping. For example, suppose this is the set A and this is the set B, and the relation is F. Okay, F is a relation, and the set A contain the element 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B contain the element A, B, C, D, E. Okay, suppose A goes to B, 3 goes to A, 4 goes to E, and suppose 2 goes to C. Now look, each element of A, that means every element of A related with element of B. Here look, each element X of A is related with element of B. That means, and also exactly one element. Look, 1 related with exactly one element, 2 related with exactly one element, 3 related with exactly one element, 4 related with exactly one element. So it is called function or mapping. But in previous example, 1 is related with many element, not exactly one element. So it is not a function or mapping, but it is a function or mapping. Okay, and the function is generally denoted denoted by like that. F is a function such that A to B. That means F is a function from A to B. Okay, and this is called domain set. This is called codomain set. That means this set is called domain set, and this is called codomain set. Codomain set. Okay, that means A is domain and B is codomain. Okay, and the element of B which are related with element of A is called F image. That means F image equal to Fx such that X belongs to A. This is called F image, and it is denoted by I am F image F. Okay, F image means Fx. Fx means what? Fx means the element of A, because here y is the element of B. Here y equal to Fx. Y equal to Fx. That means y is the element of B. That means Fx is the element of B. X is the element of A, where Fx is the element of B. Okay, that means those element of B which are connected with the element of A, where X belongs to A. Okay, X belongs to A. That means those element of B are connected with element of B is called F image. Okay, now here we told that each element is connected with exactly one element, and this will be particular element. Now the question is, who will decide that which element of A is related with which element of B? Who will decide that which element of A will related with which element of B? The answer is F. That means function will decide that which element of A is related with which element of B. For example, suppose the function is Fx equal to 2x. Fx equal to 2x, and the domain set A is suppose 1, 2, 3, and codomain set suppose 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, then 1 will go to 2, because when we put 1 in this function Fx in the, that means in the place of x, we will get 2x. That means 2 into 1, that means 2. So 1 will go to 2. Similarly, when we put 2 in this function, we will get 2 into 2, that means 4. That means 2 will go to 4. Similarly, 3 will go to 6. Clear? So function Fx, function will decide that which element of A, which element of domain set will related with which element of codomain set. Okay, so naturally the function is work like a machine, isn't it? A function work like a machine. If you put something on the machine or inside the machine, you will get something as a product. If you put sugar cane inside the machine, you will get juice, isn't it? Look here. Here we put 1. We will get 2, isn't it? If you put 2, you will get 4. For another example, suppose f(x) equal to x square, okay, and the code domain set is 1, 2, 3. Then the codomain set, suppose 1, 4, 9, 10. Okay. Then look here. If you put 1 in this machine, you will get 1 square. That means 1 as a product. That means 1 goes to 1. If you put 2 in this machine, you will get as a product 2 square. That means 4. That means 4 is a product. Okay. And if you put 3 in this machine, you will get 3 square. That means 9. That means 3 will go to 9. Here 1, 2, 3 are sugar cane, and 1, 4, 9 are sugar cane juice. Okay. Very interesting, like that. Okay. So in this video, up to that, and the next portion, that means the type of type of function or type of mapping, we'll discuss in next video. Okay.